In a lush jungle where nature thrived, a majestic leopard roamed freely, its golden fur shimmering in the sunlight, always on the lookout for adventure, while a cunning fox watched from a distance, curious about the world beyond its burrow. One day, a farmer tended to his fields oblivious to the presence of the wild creatures nearby, while the leopard and the fox found themselves drawn to each other's company, weaving an unexpected bond. As the days passed, the unlikely duo of the leopard and the fox forged a deep friendship, enjoying their time together and exploring the wonders of the jungle, until one day they caught the attention of the farmer, who couldn't believe his eyes. The farmer, witnessing the lively bond between the leopard and the fox, felt a tug of curiosity and fear, pondering whether he should protect his crops from the fierce predator or embrace the beauty of such an unusual friendship. Taking a courageous step forward, the farmer knelt down, offering his hand in peace, while the fox stood by the leopard, ready to defend their newfound friendship, bridging the gap between man and beast. To everyone's surprise, the farmer's kind gesture sparked laughter and joy as he began sharing fruits with the curious creatures, fostering a delightful bond that transcended their differences. With each passing day, the fox and the leopard became experts at stealing bananas from the nearby orchard, their friendship blossoming alongside the laughter of the farmer, who embraced their mischievous antics. As their banana-stealing escapades unfolded, the clever fox devised clever distractions, while the nimble leopard delighted in scaling trees, turning their playful scheme into a game of teamwork that left the farmer amused and bewildered. With triumphant glee, the fox returned to the leopard, carrying home their hard-earned bananas, both filled with joy as they reveled in the sweetness of their triumph and the bond that had grown between them. As they devoured the ripe bananas, laughter echoed through the jungle, and the farmer felt a warm sense of happiness, knowing that even the wildest of creatures could find companionship and joy in the simplest of pleasures. After their feast, exhaustion took over, and the two friends sprawled out under the sun, while the farmer captured their joyous story with his sketches, celebrating the beautiful bond formed in unexpected ways. In a burst of energy, the fox and the leopard began to frolic and play, their laughter ringing through the jungle, while the farmer delighted in the spectacle, knowing he had witnessed the forging of an unbreakable friendship. After a day filled with laughter and mischief, the fox and the leopard relaxed together, their friendship growing stronger, while the farmer immortalized this special bond in photos, cherishing the memories created in their little corner of the jungle. As night fell, the trio settled under the vast expanse of stars, where the farmer shared tales of adventure, while the fox and the leopard listened with wide eyes, each story weaving them closer together in a tapestry of friendship. Engrossed in the tales spun by the farmer, the fox and leopard shared moments of laughter and curiosity, their bond deepening under the warm flicker of the campfire that danced against the night sky. With the sun rising, a new day beckoned them toward fresh adventures, and the farmer, ever the supportive friend, smiled as he prepared to guide the spirited duo into the unknown. Full of energy and enthusiasm, the fox and leopard raced through the forest, their laughter echoing among the trees, while the farmer joyfully followed, reminding them that every adventure is sweeter when shared with friends. Finding a serene stream, the fox and the leopard could not resist the urge to splash and play, laughter ringing out, while the farmer expertly photographed their blissful moments, savoring the beauty of friendship. After their playful splash fight, the fox and leopard settled on a warm rock, sharing tales of their favorite spots in the jungle, while the farmer sketched their friendship, preserving the magic of the moment forever. As the day unfolded, the fox and leopard wandered alongside the stream, playfully exploring the lush environment, while their devoted farmer friend admired both the scenery and the joyful companionship that filled the air. The playful exploration took an exciting turn when the fox and leopard's eyes caught a mysterious glimmer in the ground, sparking the farmer's curiosity as he eagerly approached to uncover the hidden treasure that awaited. With shared excitement, the fox and leopard eagerly unearthed what appeared to be an ancient chest, while the farmer could hardly contain his awe as the sun danced off its intricate design, promising treasures untold. As they pried the chest open, shimmering jewels and golden artifacts burst forth, thrilling the hearts of the fox and leopard, while the farmer